How to create a Paystack payment page to receive automated online payments for your products and services. Selling online is one of the best ways to earn a living online nowadays, and since the pandemic, online sales in Nigeria and worldwide has more than tripled, and Paystack Payment Integration is the #1 free online payment platform that's helping Nigerians and Africans all over the world receive automated online payments 24/7 even while you sleep at night. In this video, I'm going to explain what a Paystack payment page is, the Paystack payment integration steps, and the 3 easy ways you can create a Paystack payment page for your type of business. And if you watch this video to the end, I'm also going to show you how to go from this to this. You will learn a free tip on how to go from zero to earning over ₦500,000 naira per month with your digital online course. Ready? Hello, it's ONOME MAUREEN here from smartincommetv.com. Welcome to another video. If you are new here and you want to learn how to make money online, how to start and grow a successful business online anywhere in the world and scale it to 8 figures, generate tons of leads and sales and all types of digital marketing related stuff, start now by subscribing to this channel and clicking the notification bell so you don't miss anything. I'm very fired up about today's video, and all the links to everything we mentioned in this video, you can find the links in the description box below. According to one of the richest men in the world, billionaire Bill Gates, if your business is not on the internet, then very soon your business will be out of business. Since the year 2020, with the pandemic and lockdowns, the urgent need for having a business online has more than tripled. Now, doing business online is now a necessity, no longer a luxury, and this is not scams or 419. You have to have a business online or have different multiple streams of income coming from different arms of your business online. So if you sell a product or a service, or you are into network marketing, e-commerce, or you sell physical products, you can move your business online using Paystack. In this video, I'm going to quickly share with you what a Paystack payment page is, what are the Paystack fees, the 3 ways you can create a Paystack payment page, and the 3 tools you need to create a Paystack payment page so that you can get paid online using the Paystack payment integration, and even how to sell your physical products online complete with shipping information, all automated, even without a website. Let me quickly give you a brief overview of what Paystack is. Paystack is a leading payment processor of choice for many fast-growing businesses in Nigeria, Ghana, and South Africa. Personally, I've been using Paystack to receive online payments from my customers since 2018, and they help me receive payments from my customers in Nigeria and all over the world. And then Paystack pays this money, they transfer the customer payment to my own Nigerian bank account, and this is all automated. So the Paystack payment integration is all automated. So how do you use Paystack? Here are the Paystack payment integration steps. The first step is you create a free Paystack account and activate it. Next, you create a payment page, a Paystack payment page. Next, you send a payment page link to your customers, and then your customers make payment online using Paystack, and then Paystack automatically delivers the product that your customer paid for if it's a digital product. So Paystack automatically delivers the product to your customers after paying online with their ATM cards, their debit or credit cards. And then 4 or 6, Paystack then sends you an automated email notification of payment, and Paystack finally transfers your money to your bank account the next business day. In fact, you don't even need to request for withdrawal of your payments from Paystack. They transfer the payments made by your customers directly to your business account or your bank account. It can be a personal bank account or a business bank account the very next day. Here are some sample Paystack email alerts I've received each time a customer makes an online payment when I'm sleeping at night or doing whatever task I'm doing. These are the email notifications. You can see it says Paystack received payment of 7,500 there, 8,250 naira, 12,850 naira, and so on and so forth. We even have payments of 100,000, 120,000 naira, and so on and so forth. So, do you already have an activated Paystack account? Let me know in the comment section below this video. Let me know if you have a Paystack account or not, and if you've already started using it to make online payments. And if you don't have an activated Paystack account yet, in a previous video, I reviewed exactly how to sign up for a free Paystack account correctly, how to add your bank details, how to activate your Paystack account. So if you missed that video and you don't have a Paystack account, then click on the top right hand corner of this video for the link to that video, or you can find the link in the description box below this video. So what is a Paystack payment page? What is it exactly? A Paystack payment page allows you to create a simple payment form to collect either a one-time or recurring payment. Now this payment page creates a special link for you which you can share with your customers via email, WhatsApp, Twitter, or through any medium you like, whether it's your Instagram account, your Facebook page, WhatsApp marketing, whatever. As long as you have that payment page, people can just click on it and then make payments into your bank account using Paystack. Now, there are three types of Paystack payment pages. You have the one-time payment, the subscription payment, and the product payment. Now, here's an example of the one-time payment for one product. This is it right here. You can see it says 30-minute Zoom online business and sales strategy meeting with me, ONOME MAUREEN, and the 30-minute session is 15,000 naira and it's a one-time payment. So if you're selling any online ebook, if you have a digital course, you can use this single one-time payment form. And then the next one is a subscription payment where your customers can pay monthly for a product or service. For example, I have this cryptocurrency profit trading online course that sells for 7,300 naira monthly for 2 months. Okay, so people who want to pay one time will have a separate form for them, and people who want to pay for the course in 2 installments, they will be charged the first month when they make payments 7,300 naira, and then after the next 30 days, Paystack automatically charges them for the second month. So this can be for a monthly membership website. And then the final one is your product payment page that looks like this. It is very good if you don't have a website. You can put an image of the product you're selling. Here, you can also use it for a digital product, or if you have a physical product that you're selling, or you are into sales of network marketing product, you can put a picture or a video explaining or showing a pictorial or video representation of that product right here, and then your customers can pay. They can buy 2. Let's say you are selling lovely earrings or jewelry, they can just say they want to buy 2. They just put 2, and then it says that's 50,000 naira because 1 jewelry is 25,000 naira, 2 is 50,000 naira. So here, once they click on the buy now button, they fill in their details and they can add the shipping information so that you can ship the product to them. So let's talk about the payment charges. Yes, to create a Paystack account is free, but they have charges because they are rendering a service for you. They are providing a platform. So let us go to the Paystack website and click on pricing. You go to www.paystack.com, you click on pricing at the top there, and here are the simple and fair pricing for Nigeria. So they charge you 1.5% plus 100 naira for each transaction that is made. For any amount of money below 2,500 naira, you only pay 1.5% because the 100 naira transaction fee is waived. While for international transactions, they charge you 3.9% of the money that your customers pay, and then an additional 100 naira. So it's really cheap and affordable. So let's scroll down. Let's say your customer pays 2,000 naira through Paystack to you. Paystack is going to pay you 1,970 naira, removing 30 naira as their transaction fee, which is 1.5% for any amount below 2,500. So if you charge 30,000 naira for a product, Paystack is going to charge 1.5% of 30,000 naira plus 100 naira as the transaction fee. So Paystack will deduct 550 naira, and then they're going to pay into your bank account, transfer this money, 29,450,000 naira. Really simple. Now let us go into creating a payment page. Wait, before we get into that, have you subscribed and liked this video yet? If you are getting value from this video and you're enjoying it so far, smash the like button for me. Yes, smash the like button. This lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into creating this video for you, and it motivates me to do more videos for you. And lastly, it helps my channel grow. So smash the like button and ensure you subscribe and press the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know when I upload another video. And finally, before we create a payment page, you need three things. These are the three tools you need. First of all, the name of the product or service you're selling. Secondly, the image of the product or service. Actually, this is optional. And thirdly, the success delivery page. After your customers have paid online with their credit or debit card, what do you want them to see next? The next page should actually be the delivery of what they paid for, the product, or the delivery of the product they paid for. So this could be a WhatsApp link notifying you that they've paid, or a download page, or a Google Drive link to the product. Right, let's create a payment page right now. You log into your Paystack account and scroll down to the far left hand side where you see payment pages. Click on it, and then it's going to bring up this page. You just click on new page at the top far right hand side, and these are the three options it brings to you: the one-time payment, the subscription payment, and the product payment. Let us create a one-time payment. This is actually a simple page for your customers to pay you. So I click on choose, and then remember the three tools, the name of the product. So I'm gonna put 30-day affiliate challenge product, and I'm gonna say it's how to make money online as an affiliate using free social media account. And then you can put an image. This is actually optional. So click on I want a fixed payment amount on this page. So I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to put the amount. I'm going to put 25,000 naira. And yes, I want to collect the phone numbers from my customers who pay. So I'm going to check this box. And then you can also click on show advanced options. I'll click on show advanced options, scroll down, and then it brings up this page for you to use a custom link. You can put any short name that you remember. So I'm just going to put AF 30-day, and it says the URL is available. Now, if another Paystack customer already has this AF 30-day, it's not going to be available. So this, your Paystack link, is unique to you alone. And then this place that says redirect after payment, this is the page you want your customers to see after payment. If it's a digital product or an online course or a membership website, this page should be the download link to the product or to the course. So I'm just going to put my website link, which is this. I'm just going to put it there as an example. Make sure you include the HTTPS, all right? And then the success message. After they've paid, what message do you want to see? You just say success, your payment is successful, so that they know that the money has been collected. And then send notifications to. Which email address do you want to receive notifications? For example, this is my email address for the notifications I've received for this payment. So this is where I can put in my email address here. Okay, so this is actually optional, but it's good to put it. The reason why I say it's optional is because even if you don't put it, Paystack is going to automatically send an email message to the email address connected to your Paystack account. I'm just going to put my email address right there. And then, do you want to collect extra information? If you want to collect an extra information like WhatsApp number, okay? What other information would you like to collect? Let's say city of residence, and so on and so forth. So I'm going to click on the create button here. So it says your page has been created. Share your page link to start receiving payments. So depending on how you promote or market your product, whether it's on Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook groups, your website, your email marketing, this is the link you copy. So you copy this link or just click on copy link and then save it to your email address or in a safe place that you remember. So once your customers click on the link, press their enter key. I just paste it at the top of my browser here. Look at it. This is the product. It says 30-day affiliate challenge product by the ONOME MAUREEN company. It's going to show your own company there. And then this is a little description of what the product is about. So this is a simple payment form for your Paystack payment page. Your customer will fill in their name, email address, phone number. This is the amount that Paystack is going to charge them, 25,000 naira. They will add their WhatsApp number, city of residence, and click on the pay now button. Let me do that now to show you. I filled it up and then I click on the pay now button. And it's going to bring up the page for me to pay with my ATM card or my bank token. So here your customers can choose to pay with their card. You can choose to pay with bank transfer or what have you. So this is it. It's very simple to create your Paystack payment page for a single product. And now for what I promised you on how to make over 500,000 per month from your own digital online course, a free training. I'm going to be holding a free training in the next couple of days on the 5-step blueprint for creating your own digital course in 14 days or less and scaling it to 50 to 100 sales a month hands-free and without a following, complicated launches, and even if nobody knows who you are. If you would like access to this free exclusive new training, then you need to join the wait list for the training. It's absolutely free. The link to register for this training is in the description box below. So really simple. I hope you've enjoyed this video, you got value from it, and if you did, smash the like button and ensure you subscribe. Yes, subscribe to this channel because we are going to be loading you with lots of free trainings that is going to 10x your business, 10x your sales, and 10x your profit. And if you have any questions regarding anything we shared in this video, leave a comment for me in the comment section below, or even if you appreciate this video, let me know in the comment section after you smash the like button. And watch the next video showing now on the screen on how to create a Paystack starter business account.